Do your power tools act like that when you go to test it? Let's fix it. Most of the time when you have a power tool battery like this that will no longer take a charge and has no lights, it's just because it's been discharged past the point of the electronics. But there's a way to fix that. With the help of this little unit right here and a battery that still has a charge, we're going to try to repair this. It comes with this pre-made pigtail. I just went ahead and put a couple of spade connectors on the end, and we're going to connect this to your battery. We're going to find our positive and our negative on our battery. We're going to hook the black over here in the negative slot, and we're going to hook the positive over here on the red spot. Next thing I'm going to do is plug it into the side of my unit, and this is an 18-volt battery, so we're going to come down here and select 18 volt and hit the out button. Hit the out button again, and now it is energized. It's now putting out 18 volts into that battery at 25 amps. What it's going to do is transfer power from this battery into that battery, and it's going to wake it back up. Not only is this variable voltage to wake that old battery back up, but I can also lay my phone right on top of it and get a quick charge. Looky there, that quick. We were able to get enough charge in the battery that we're going to take it over to our M18 charger, and it's going to go ahead and recharge itself. We're going to come over here to the end of our bank charger, put this in, and just like that, we have a solid red light. It's going to take a charge. This little guy will be handy for any kind of electrical troubleshooting. It has that 140 watt USB-C outlet. It has that 18 watt USB-A. You've also got your MagSafe charger on the top, and then this removable adapter that we just used to wake up our drill battery. The digital screen on the front of it is going to give you variable voltage, anywhere between 5 clear up to that 24 volt range. It has thermal protection. If you guys want to grab one of these, they have some great deals on them. They make them for red and yellow batteries. I'm going to drop a link on the bottom of the screen so you can pick one up.